Hi, my name is Jerry Rodriguez, and I am the Managing Attorney at Florida Fertility Legal Services, a division of Rodriguez Albizu Law. I am proud to support the individuals who rely on artificial reproductive technology to create the family that they dream of, and likewise, I protect the incredibly generous and kind women who support those families by serving as a surrogate. Whether you are considering using a surrogate to start your family, or whether you want to serve as a surrogate to help those unable to carry a pregnancy, here are questions that you need to consider. Surrogacy can be a good option for individuals or couples who cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy to term due to medical, genetic, or biological reasons. It may also be a solution for same-sex couples or single parents wishing to have a child who is biologically related to them. People often turn to surrogacy after exploring other fertility treatments, such as IVF, that may not have been successful. Surrogacy can also be considered by those who want to avoid passing on genetic disorders or health risks to their children. Consulting with a fertility attorney and a surrogacy attorney is key to deciding if this path aligns with your personal and legal needs. When choosing a surrogacy attorney, look for someone experienced in reproductive law, particularly with a track record of handling surrogacy cases. Your attorney should be well versed in the surrogacy laws of your state or country and have a clear understanding of the legal requirements, such as drafting contracts between intended parents and the surrogate. Strong communication skills, compassion, and a thorough approach are essential to ensure all parties' rights are protected. It's also beneficial to work with an attorney who has connections with surrogacy agencies, fertility clinics, and other professionals involved in the process. The legal implications of surrogacy are significant and vary widely depending upon the jurisdiction. Key legal aspects include the enforceability of the surrogacy agreement, parental rights, and the process of establishing the intended parents as the child's legal parents, either through pre-birth or post-birth orders. It's essential to clarify who has parental rights, how those rights are transferred, and whether the surrogate has any legal standing after the birth. Surrogacy laws are complex, and in some places, compensated surrogacy is illegal, so working with an attorney is critical to navigate these issues. The surrogacy process can vary in length depending on several factors. Typically, it takes anywhere from 12 to 24 months from start to finish. This includes finding a surrogate, completing medical and psychological screenings, creating a legal agreement, and undergoing the fertility treatment process. The pregnancy itself will also, of course, last around 9 months. Delays can occur at various stages, such as waiting for a surrogate match, medical clearance, or the legal process, so patience and proper planning are important. The cost of surrogacy can be substantial, typically ranging from $100,000 to $150,000 or more, depending on several factors, such as a surrogate's compensation, medical reimbursements, legal fees, and agency costs. Other expenses may include fertility treatments, travel costs for the surrogate or intended parents, and insurance. It's important to budget for both expected and unexpected costs, and working with a knowledgeable attorney and financial advisor can help manage the financial aspects of the process. The surrogate's rights are typically outlined in a surrogacy agreement, which is a legally binding document drafted before any medical procedures take place. These rights generally include compensation, medical and psychological care, privacy, and the ability to make decisions regarding her health during the pregnancy. It's essential for the surrogate to have independent legal representation to ensure her rights are fully protected throughout the entire process. A well-drafted contract should clearly define her responsibilities, the scope of her decision-making authority, and her right to financial and emotional support during and after the pregnancy. Intended parents' rights in a surrogacy arrangement are primarily established through a legal contract. These rights include decisions about the upbringing of the child, medical choices during the pregnancy, in consultation with the surrogate, and legal parentage. Depending upon the jurisdiction, the intended parents may need to obtain a pre-birth or post-birth order to be recognized as legal parents of the child. It's important to ensure that the surrogacy contract protects their parental rights and that they understand their responsibilities, including financial obligations toward the surrogate and the child. If you're a single parent pursuing surrogacy, you should consult with a surrogacy attorney as early as possible in the process. The legal complexities can differ from those faced by couples, particularly in establishing parental rights. An attorney will help you navigate the legal requirements in your jurisdiction. Ensure that your contract with the surrogate protects your interests and guides you through the process of becoming the child's legal parent, which may involve additional legal steps. Same-sex couples should involve a surrogacy attorney at the beginning of the process to navigate the legal intricacies unique to their situation. Depending upon your jurisdiction, establishing legal parentage may require additional steps, such as a second parent adoption or a parentage order. A skilled surrogacy attorney can ensure that both parents are recognized as the legal parents of the child and that the surrogacy agreement complies with the laws of the state or country where the surrogacy is taking place. If you're an international intended parent pursuing surrogacy in another country, hiring a surrogacy attorney in both your home country and the country where the surrogacy is taking place is essential. The legalities of surrogacy can vary significantly across borders, and you'll need to ensure that the child's citizenship, immigration status, and parental rights are properly established. An experienced surrogacy attorney can help you navigate the legal requirements in both jurisdictions, ensuring a smooth process and protecting your legal rights as intended parents. If you have fertility issues and are considering surrogacy, it's important to consult a surrogacy attorney early in the process. An attorney can guide you through the legal aspects of working with a fertility clinic, sperm or egg donors, and surrogates, ensuring that your rights and the rights of everyone involved are protected. They will also help you understand how the surrogacy contract addresses potential complications that may arise due to your medical situation. As a surrogate, you should have your own surrogacy attorney before signing any contracts or undergoing any medical procedures. Your attorney will review the surrogacy agreement to ensure that your rights are protected, including fair compensation, healthcare coverage, and any necessary legal safeguards for you during and after the pregnancy. Having independent legal representation is crucial to ensure that the agreement is fair and that you fully understand your obligations and rights throughout the entire process. If you want to learn more about how Florida Fertility Legal Services can help protect your legal rights throughout your surrogacy journey, call us today for a consultation and visit our website at floridafertilitylegalservices.com.